Welcome, fellow adrenaline junkies and mountain biking enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the thrilling world of mountain biking, specifically focusing on the top 10 most challenging trails across the globe. Buckle up, because these trails are not for the faint-hearted. They're steep, rugged, and will test your skills like never before. So grab your helmet and let's hit the trails. First up, we have the infamous The Whole Enchilada in Moab, Utah. This trail is a legendary ride that combines stunning scenery with heart-pounding technical sections. Spanning over 26 miles, it starts high in the La Salle Mountains and descends through diverse terrain, from alpine forests to arid desert landscapes. The views are breathtaking, but don't let that distract you. The rocky descents, steep drops, and narrow ledges will keep you on your toes. It's a true test of endurance and skill, and only the brave will conquer it. Next, we're heading to Canada, where we find the notorious The North Shore in British Columbia. This isn't just a trail, it's a mecca for mountain bikers. The North Shore is famous for its technical features, including wooden bridges, steep drops, and gnarly rock gardens. It's a playground for those who thrive on challenges. Riders need to be prepared for everything, from heart-stopping descents to tight, tree-lined paths. The atmosphere here is electric, and the camaraderie among bikers is palpable. If you want to test your limits, this is the place to do it. Now, let's jet over to the Alps for the Mega Avalanche in France. This epic downhill race starts at the glacier of Pic Blanc, sitting at a staggering 300 meters above sea level. Riders plunge down a massive 2,600 meters, navigating a mix of snow, rocks, and dirt trails. The thrill of racing down a mountain while dodging obstacles is unmatched. With a mix of conditions, including snow at the start and rocky terrain as you descend, it's a true test of skill and bravery. The adrenaline rush is real, and the views are absolutely jaw-dropping. Coming in at number 7, we have the Downieville Downhill in California. This trail is a true gem, offering a challenging 17-mile descent that will push your limits. It features steep sections, technical rock gardens, and a flowing single track that will keep you on your toes. The trail is known for its beautiful scenery, winding through lush forests and alongside stunning rivers. But don't be fooled by its beauty. This trail demands respect and skill. It's a favorite among seasoned riders who crave that perfect combination of challenge and adventure. Next, let's talk about the White Rim Trail in Canyonlands National Park, Utah. This trail is a 100-mile loop that offers a mix of technical riding and breathtaking views. Riders navigate rocky sections, sandy washes, and steep climbs, all while soaking in the stunning canyon vistas. The terrain can be challenging, and the weather can be unpredictable, making it a true test of endurance. This trail is not just about the ride. It's about the experience of being immersed in nature's beauty while pushing your limits. At number 5, we have the Pine to Palm Trail in Oregon. This trail is a beast, spanning over 100 miles with a staggering elevation gain of over 12,000 feet. It's a mix of rugged terrain, technical descents, and stunning views that will leave you breathless, both from the scenery and the sheer effort required to conquer it. Riders face everything from rocky climbs to fast descents, making it a true test of skill and stamina. If you're looking for a challenge that will push you to your limits, this is the trail for you. Now, Let's venture to the Southern Hemisphere for the Old Ghost Road in New Zealand. This trail is a stunning 85-kilometre journey through rugged mountains, lush forests, and breathtaking landscapes. It's known for its remote beauty and challenging terrain, including steep climbs and technical descents. Riders often encounter river crossings and narrow bridges, adding to the excitement. The sense of adventure here is palpable, and the stunning views will make every grueling climb worth it. It's a trail that truly embodies the spirit of mountain biking. At number 3, we have the La Ruta de los Conquistadores in Costa Rica. This race is not for the faint-hearted, covering over 200 kilometers of challenging terrain in just 3 days. Riders face everything from steep climbs to muddy trails and river crossings. The diverse landscapes, including jungles, beaches, and mountains, make this a unique and exhilarating experience. It's a true test of endurance, and the sense of accomplishment on the finish line is unparalleled. If you're looking for an epic multi-day challenge, look no further. Coming in at number 2 is the Trans-Savoie in France. This multi-day enduro race takes riders through the stunning French Alps, covering over 300 kilometers of rugged terrain. Riders face challenging descents, technical sections, and breathtaking views at every turn. The combination of steep climbs and thrilling descents will push your skills to the limit. It's a true adventure that tests not only your riding abilities, but also your mental toughness. The camaraderie among riders and the stunning scenery make this a bucket list experience for any serious mountain biker. And finally, at number 1, we have the Tour Divide in North America. This is not just a trail, it's a grueling 2,745-mile race from Canada to Mexico along the Rocky Mountains. Riders face everything from technical single-track to remote wilderness, all while navigating unpredictable weather and challenging terrain. The sheer distance and variety of conditions make this a monumental challenge. It's a test of endurance, determination, and resilience. Those who complete the Tour Divide earn their place in mountain biking history. So there you have it, the top 10 most difficult mountain biking trails in the world. Each of these trails offers a unique blend of challenge, adventure, and breathtaking scenery that will leave you craving more. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, these trails will push you to your limits and beyond. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there, hit the trails, and embrace the thrill of mountain biking. Remember, every ride is an adventure waiting to happen.